Imagine a fruit so powerful that it has become a symbol of life and fertility across many cultures. A fruit whose name heralds the explosive power of grenades and whose history may rewrite the story of the forbidden fruit itself. Yes, we're talking about the pomegranate, a treasure trove of nutrition, low in calories but packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals. This delectable jewel of nature is not just a feast for the eyes but a battalion of wellness, with benefits ranging from antioxidant powers to boosting heart and urinary health, and even enhancing exercise endurance. Did you know that the word grenade is derived from the French word for pomegranate, inspired by its shape and the bursting nature of its seeds? Or that some scholars argue that it was a pomegranate, not an apple, that tempted Eve in the Garden of Eden? These are not mere anecdotes. They are a testament to the fruit's enduring influence and mystique. Before we dive into the heart of the pomegranate's benefits, take a moment to like, share, and subscribe to Very OK. Your engagement is not just appreciated, it's vital. It helps us continue to bring you the marvels of nature, backed by science, that can elevate your health and wellness. Pomegranates are nutrient-rich fruits packed with a variety of vitamins, minerals, and other beneficial compounds. Here's a breakdown of the key nutrients found in pomegranates. Vitamins. Vitamin C, a potent antioxidant, important for immune function and skin health. Vitamin K, essential for blood clotting and bone health. Folate, vitamin B9, important for cell division and proper DNA synthesis, crucial during pregnancy. Minerals. Potassium, vital for heart health, blood pressure regulation, and fluid balance. Calcium, essential for bone strength and dental health. Magnesium, involved in over 300 enzymatic reactions in the body, important for heart and bone health. Phosphorus, supports the formation of bones and teeth and is important in how the body uses carbohydrates and fats. Other nutritional components. Fiber promotes digestive health, helps with weight management, and is beneficial for heart health. Protein. While not a significant source, pomegranates do provide some protein. Antioxidants. Pomegranates are rich in antioxidants like punicalagins and anthocyanins, which help protect the body against free radical damage. Anti-inflammatory compounds. The antioxidants in pomegranates also have anti-inflammatory properties. Now let's explore the top health benefits of pomegranates that you absolutely need to know. Number 10. Atherosclerosis prevention. Pomegranates are your heart's guardians, preventing the hardening of the arteries by stopping bad cholesterol from oxidizing. Number 9. Memory improvement. Drinking pomegranate juice has been linked to significant improvements in verbal and visual memory, with potential implications for Alzheimer's prevention. Number 8. Exercise endurance. The nectar of this fruit may enhance your workout, boosting your endurance and reducing muscle soreness post-exercise. Number 7. Anti-inflammatory effects. Pomegranate's potent anti-inflammatory properties can soothe chronic conditions and acute discomfort alike. Number 6. Blood pressure regulation. By managing blood pressure, pomegranates help keep your circulatory system in check. Number 5. Digestive health. High in fiber, pomegranates are a natural way to maintain digestive regularity and gut health. Number 4. Skin radiance. The fruit's compounds may protect the skin from damage and promote a youthful glow. Number 3. Cancer fighter. Early research suggests pomegranate components may have anti-cancer properties, especially in breast and prostate cancers. Number 2. Joint health. Pomegranate extract might help manage symptoms of arthritis and joint pain. Number 1. Antioxidant powerhouse. With an antioxidant content higher than most other fruits, pomegranates offer unrivaled protection against free radical damage. Ways to consume pomegranates. Fresh seeds. Arils. The most direct way to enjoy pomegranates is to consume the fresh arils. They can be eaten on their own, added to salads, or sprinkled over yogurt and oatmeal. Juicing the arils is a popular way to consume pomegranates. The juice can be enjoyed on its own, used in smoothies, or as a vibrant addition to salad dressings. Cooking and baking. Pomegranate seeds can add a burst of flavor and color to various dishes, including rice pilafs, roasted vegetables, and baked goods. Pomegranate extract supplements. For those looking for a more concentrated dose of the nutrients found in pomegranates, supplements are available in capsule or liquid extract form. Pomegranate molasses. This is a syrup made from reduced pomegranate juice, used as a flavor enhancer in Middle Eastern cuisine, suitable for marinades, dressings, and glazes. Potential side effects. Allergies. Though rare, some individuals may have allergic reactions to pomegranates. Symptoms can include itching, swelling, and difficulty breathing. Medication interactions. Pomegranate can interact with certain medications, particularly blood thinners like warfarin, and some blood pressure and cholesterol-lowering medications. It's important to consult with a healthcare provider if you're on medication. By adding pomegranates to your diet, you can tap into a range of health benefits, from improved heart health to enhanced physical performance, and beyond. However, moderation is key, and being mindful of potential interactions and side effects ensures you can enjoy pomegranates safely and healthily. Here are some simple and tasty ideas to incorporate pomegranate into your meals. 1. Pomegranate yogurt parfait. Ingredients: 1 cup Greek yogurt, half a cup pomegranate seeds, 2 tablespoons honey or maple syrup, a quarter cup granola, a pinch of cinnamon optional. Instructions: in a glass or bowl, layer half of the Greek yogurt. Sprinkle a layer of granola over the yogurt. Add a layer of pomegranate seeds. Drizzle some honey or maple syrup over the seeds. Repeat the layers with the remaining ingredients. Top with a pinch of cinnamon for added flavor. Enjoy this healthy, delicious parfait as a breakfast or snack. 2. Pomegranate and spinach salad. Ingredients: 2 cups fresh spinach leaves, half a cup pomegranate seeds, a quarter cup crumbled feta cheese, a quarter cup chopped walnuts, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 tablespoon balsamic vinegar, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: in a large salad bowl, combine the spinach leaves, pomegranate seeds, feta cheese, and chopped walnuts. In a small bowl, whisk together olive oil and balsamic vinegar. Drizzle the dressing over the salad. Toss gently to combine. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Serve immediately as a refreshing and nutritious side dish or light meal. 3. Pomegranate and avocado toast. Ingredients: 2 slices of whole grain bread, 1 ripe avocado, half a cup pomegranate seeds, salt and pepper to taste, lemon juice optional. Instructions: toast the bread slices to your preferred level of crispiness. Mash the avocado in a bowl and spread it evenly over the toasted bread. Sprinkle pomegranate seeds generously on top of the avocado. Season with salt and pepper. Add a few drops of lemon juice for a tangy twist. Serve immediately as a quick, tasty, and nutritious breakfast or snack. In this very okay video, not only do we unfold the vast benefits of pomegranates, but we also guide you on how to incorporate them into your daily routine and make informed choices about their consumption. So, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Your support helps us bring comprehensive and practical health information to our community. Join us in celebrating the wonders of pomegranates and optimizing our health in the most delicious way possible. Thanks for watching. Very okay.